Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a couple of things to go through in today's video. I've just picked up some more stands from the Silver Forum. If anyone's interested in picking up some coin stands, there's someone that's got some on there for a very nice price. And I picked up a couple of bunches of them so that I can showcase some more bits and pieces in the backdrops of my videos. So I will leave a link to that post in today's description. I can't recall who it actually was now, but I will put a link on the screen as well so you can have a little look. But they were a very nice price, and like I said, I will leave a link in the description so you can head over and grab yourself some if you're from the UK. So that's my first pickup, just some more stands for the backdrop of the channel. Now the next thing I wanted to talk to you about was my first ever precious metals swap. Now, I know people do this quite regularly, and quite often people swap X amount of ounces of silver for X amounts of ounces of gold, or vice versa. And I know also sometimes people swap premium pieces for bullion pieces and all the rest of it. And someone on the Silver Forum had this particular coin where he's actually got 4 of these coins, and he put them up saying that he was interested in selling a couple of them. And he knows that I'm not currently buying, and I said to him, would you be interested in a trade? And he sent me a private message and we came to an agreement. And we're actually doing a swap, so really cool. It's a loophole, if you like, for me being able to pick up some new interesting pieces without actually spending cash. So I actually traded this coin for 3 American Silver Eagles. So the coin I picked up is 1 ounce, and I've swapped it for 3 billion pieces of American Silver Eagles. I'm also going to chuck in another little extra there as well. And the person I did the trade with was Silver Sins, and I will leave a link to Silver Sins' channel. I think he's got 115 subscribers at the moment, so please do head over and show him some love. He's got a really cool backdrop and he makes some really cool and fun, interesting videos. His last video was saying how he's just hit his first target of 100 ounces and he showcases all his pieces. So really cool, diversified stack. And the piece that I swapped is... oh, that's good, it's come this way round. Pause the video, let me know in the comment section what coin you think this is. You can see the year 2017. And the piece is a Spider-Man coin, Marvel Spider-Man. Now these are very collectible. For those of you that haven't looked into these coins yet, they go for between 90 and 100 pounds, I believe, last time I checked on eBay. I haven't looked on eBay for a while, but they sell, if you go to listings and use filter by sold, last time I checked, which was a few months back, they go for around about £100. Now you've always got to take eBay sold prices with a pinch of salt, because people inflate the prices to help cover the fees that come with selling on eBay. But still, it's got to be at least an £80 coin last time I checked. I'm not sure if it's gone up anymore since then. But yeah, we came to an agreement, and I'd swapped this for 3 American Silver Eagles. They're all bullion pieces. They're pieces that have been in quite a few of my videos. I've picked out some of the best looking ones, the ones that aren't too scuffed or fingerprinted, and I've put them to one side in these bags. We've got 2019, another 2019, and 2020. And like I said, I'm going to chuck in a little extra as well. We've got a 1922 florin there, so well, that'd be quite cool, something for Silver Sins to be able to showcase on his channel. So there you go, Silver Sins, I will get those over to you. Thank you very much for making my first precious metals swap a very smooth and successful one. He offered to ship this to me first, and I'm going to ship these out to him today. So really cool piece of silver. Like I said, the reason I swapped 3 ounces for 1 ounce is because this contains more of a premium, and those of you that have looked into this series will know that this coin contains a premium. I believe it was the first Marvel coin released, and also it's Spider-Man, so obviously Spider-Man's a very popular Marvel character, so hence the reason those 2 things make this a very collectible coin. I'm not sure if it has a limited mintage. I'm guessing it probably has. Do let me know in the comment section if it's got a limited mintage. But he actually got these for a very nice price. I believe he picked them up in 2017 when they first came out, and I think he paid around £30 a coin. Correct me if I'm wrong, Silversins, in the comment section, but I believe you said you paid between £30 and £35 a coin when you picked up 4 of these. So yeah, really, really great investment move there. Great decision. I don't know whether that was luck or whether you anticipated these to hold their value and rise how much they have done. Absolutely stunning piece. Really, really like it. Can't wait to add that to my capsulated stack. Really, really cool. And like I said, thanks very much for making my first swap such a smooth, successful transaction, because I've never actually swapped precious metals for precious metals before. I've sold a few pieces in the past to see how the process works and to see how easy it was to do. I've never actually swapped something. So yeah, really, really cool. And like I said, please do head over to Silversin's channel and drop him a subscribe. Let him know that 365 sent you. And like I said, he makes some really, really cool videos, and he's just released a video showing his first 100 ounces, and it's a really fun watch. So as always, thanks very much for all the support. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a very nice day.